Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Mirror Markets Breakdown Analysis for Monday the 27th of March 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and show you the exact zones where price could close above potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous daily candle closing bearish, breaking below this daily support that was holding from Monday last week. Just a quick review on the high time frame. Now what we can see is the weekly wicked and rejected this weekly resistance, broke the previous weekly low, tapping into this previous weekly support. And we're looking on a monthly time frame. The previous weekly candle has done retest to this monthly support formed in January this year. Now what we can see is, as this weekly closed small body candle, when you drop down to the daily time frame, you'll notice that the daily has been in a consolidation zone, and it only broke out of the consolidation zone on the Friday as the daily candle closed below this daily support. So now to break down the chart, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we have the most recent 4-hour support at 158.980. We have the most recent 4-hour resistance at 161.690. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, and now we have a most recent 1-hour support all the way down to 158.480. The most recent 1-hour resistance is at 159.850. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, now we can see is we have a new range to identify. Now a quick look on the hourly time frame. So this candle has tapped a level here and then rejected. We put a line, dropping down to the 30-minute time frame. Now this lines up with the support, so we can push this support to 159.280. We can adjust the resistance on the 30-minute time frame to 159.920. Dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, and what we can see is this is a consolidation area where price has been consolidating after the London Open on Friday. So to identify the no trade zone on the 4-hour time frame, we have this support, but then on the hourly time frame, we have this clean traffic. It's not that clean, obviously, because we've got this rejection in here, but it's a big range to identify as a no trade zone. So referring to the 30-minute time frame and identifying this as a no trade zone is the ideal setup, I'd say. So for potential buys on the break and close above 159.940, and then potential sells as price break and close below this 30-minute support at 159.280, and this is going to be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buys. No trade zone. Now to look for potential buys, and we need to go back to the daily, and what we can see now, the previous daily candle closed bearish, broke below this daily support. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour resistance. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have this 1-hour resistance around 167.750. But the other thing is we have price rejecting this area on this candle. So we just put a line at 160.380, just within this 1-hour previous support, dropping down to the 5-minute time frame, 50-minute time frame. We just have these ranges in here. So I'd say as the first target, since the daily closed bearish, you don't want to look for big target for buys because you don't want to go against the trend. So what I'd do is the first target for buys would be 163.80, targeting this previous 1-hour support. The second target for buys would be 167.50, targeting this 1-hour resistance. Now to look for potential sells, going back to the daily, and the first thing we can identify here is this daily support. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour support at 158.960. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have a level of support at 158.440, and then dropping down to the 5-minute time frame, that lines up with this support. And the 15-minute time frame, we have this 15-minute support. I'd say ideally is to just focus on the 4-hour and the hourly time frame. So the first target would be 158,960. The second target for sells would be 158,440, targeting this 1 hour support, because that's not just the hourly support, that is also a daily support, a weekly support, and the monthly support.